Hi, this is Richard Ward with MarineMax in North Key Largo. Today we are showcasing this 2020 Scout 275 Dorado. This boat is equipped with twin 200 Mercury's horsepower. Come on up and I'll show you some key features inside the boat. This boat is equipped with a fold down walk-through pathway for easy access to inside the boat. You have a port and starboard fold down seats, a sink up here, your fridge. You do have a Garmin 9-inch screen. In this boat here you have your head part with a pull out for a shower, rinse off. Up front you do have a nice bow seating area with a pull out table. Table comes out, nice drinks. Up front you have your windlass with controls, foot controls right here. To schedule a showing on this boat right here, please give us a call.